Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Hi, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good, Alhamdulillah. Okay, welcome to another episode of Shaji's Vlogs. Today, I am going to explain how we can apply the child visa in the UK. Are you happy? Because a lot of my friends also requesting me to do the same thing long before. Actually, I am too late, I know. I am sorry for that. And I was quite busy. That is not an excuse, but excuse me, okay? Today we can fill the application together. Are you ready? Yeah, okay, let's wait. Before that, I am humbly requesting you to like my video, and if you like it, you can like me, and also you can support me to subscribe my channel as well. Okay, so I'm giving the in the former videos. This is my fifth video, and thank you so much for the support. Okay, and the former videos I explained like the VFS appointment and the dependent visa application. Then another video as well. So and this is the video that the child or kid visa how we can apply. Okay, this is a simple process actually. We can do it ourselves. Why we are wasting the money? Most of the people think that, oh, I can't, because if there is any mistake happen, that is again very difficult, so they will reject like that. No, it's not like that. Don't think like that. Don't waste your money to someone. Okay, we can do it ourselves. We can read the things, and I am here with you to all the process. Okay, to fill up the application in step by step, so it is easy for you to apply. Okay, and yeah, you can see the link in the description box, and you can just copy paste into your respected browser, and we can start the application right now. Okay, so let's go for the video, my dears. Okay, once you click the link, or you copy paste the link into your respected browser, you can see this window like gov.uk visas and immigration. So confirm your visa type, that we are applying for the child visa, so child dependent visa. Okay, so next. So once you are clicking next, where are you planning to live? So we are planning to live in England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. Continue. Do you have a current EU, EAA or Swiss passport? No. Continue. Select a country to provide your biometrics. So we need to provide which country we are preferring to given the biometrics. So whatever the details, whatever the documents, that is regarding the VFS center. Okay. So if your child is in India or any United Arab Emirates or Saudi or any country, which country that you need to select. Okay, for me it is United Arab Emirates again, so I am keeping United Arab Emirates and go next. Check available visa application center location. So this is the VFS global centers. Okay, so in the UAE we are identified the location, so I am keeping like I have identified the location. Okay, so next, dependent child visa. Use this form to apply from outside the UK as the child of a person who has a visa or is applying for one of the following visas. All these instructions are here so that you can read all these before you start the application. Okay, go for apply now. Okay, so register an email. So there is a 6 step. Okay, for this you can see here. Okay, we are in the step 1, that is start. Okay, register an email. So for application we need to register an email address. Okay, so before you remember that, you need to remember the password and the email address as well. So whichever is convenient for you, you can give the email address. Okay, so I am here giving my email ID, and I need to put a password here. Okay, so that I can create a password as well. There is some criteria for the password. You can read over here and you can set the password. Okay, all right. So then save and continue. So once you save and continue, you can see here person you are applying with or joining. What is the name of the person? You will travel to the UK with or join in the UK. So that this is they are asking we are the sponsor, like, so I am the sponsor of my child. So they are asking our details. Okay, if the father of the child is they are applying for the visa, you can provide the father's name. Okay, if mother is applying, you can provide the your name and details. Okay, so for me it's mine only, so I am giving my name, Shajila, and family name as well, Halima Bibi. Okay, so once you give the given name and the family name, you can save and continue. Then Shajila Halima's nationality and date of birth. Nationality India, and date of birth as well. We need to type the date of birth as well. Okay, random date of birth and save and continue. Okay, Shajila Halima's passport details. Do you know Shajila Halima's passport or travel document number? Yes. Then the passport number we need to provide over here. Okay, save and continue. Traveling to the UK. When are you, Shajila Halima, traveling to the UK? When are you and Shajila Halima traveling to the UK? Actually, I am here and I am going to bring my child. So, I am traveling after Shajila Halima Bibi. Okay. Save and continue. Shajila Halima's current UK immigration status. Which visa is Shajila Halima applying for or being granted? So we can select these options from here. So for me it is a skilled worker including tier 2 general. Okay. Do you have one of these reference numbers for Shajila Halimas? Yes, I will select the option. Yes, I have their VAF number. VAF number is easy for you to identify. You can see the VAF number in your passport. In the on the visa page, there is a valid handle like that in the right hand corner in the in the top of the visa page. Okay, there is a valid until the date will be there, and down the date there is VAF number that you can type over here. Okay, then you can save and continue. So once save and continue, you can see Shajila Halima's application status. Does Shajila Halima already have their skilled worker visa immigration permission? For me, it is yes. If we are typing no, I don't know what will happen. We will not means we will not allow to bring our family. So always we have the immigration permission. Yes. Okay. Save and continue. Sponsor license number. This also the sponsor's license number you can see in the COS. Okay, in the COS you can see the number over there, the license number, it clearly mentioned over there. Okay, so that you can type that one and save and continue. So you can see health and care visa. Has Shajila Halima been informed if they are eligible for a health and care visa? Yes. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can read over here eligibility requirements and check with their sponsor or employer as well. Okay. So I confirm I have checked the eligibility requirements for the health and care visa, and I understand that if I am not eligible, my application may be rejected. Okay. So save and continue. So shortage occupation. Is Shajila Halima's working a shortage occupation? Yes. Save and continue. Shajila Halima certificate of sponsorship. Do you have a certificate of sponsorship reference number for Shajila Halima? Yes. Certificate of sponsorship number you can see in the COS itself. Okay, there is some alphabets and some numbers, numeric numbers. Okay, so that you can select the sponsors reference number as well from your COS. Okay, then save and continue. So
What is the length of Shajila Halima certificate of sponsorship in the COS? For me, it's 3 years. Also, I will select the option like 3 years or less. For some persons, they some individuals they will provide like 5 years. So you can select the option accordingly. Okay, save and continue. Sponsor certifying maintenance. So, have Shajila Halima sponsor agreed to certify your maintenance on their certificate of sponsorship? For me, it is yes. So, in the COS, we can see there is several options are there. Like we are scrolling down. You can see the maintenance. Okay, in the maintenance, straightforward, we can see the Y over there. That means they are providing the maintenance. Okay, so I am giving yes, because if it is not if it is no n there, we need to provide some bank statement as well for proof of the finances. So most of the COS, majority of the COS, they will provide the maintenance. So I'm putting yes. Okay, save and continue. Then check your answers. While we are finishing our step 1, we need to read all these details what we are providing. Okay, so you can check your answers then you can continue. Contacting you by email. If who does this email address belong to? So we provide, this is regarding our mail ID. They are asking if your mail is wrong, click here to change it. Okay, there is an option here as well. Okay, so if you want to change the mail ID, or if it is wrong, you can change the mail or here as well. Okay, who does this email address belong to? So actually our we are applying for the child visa, right? So this email belongs to not the child, so this belongs to me, so someone else. Okay, save and continue. So do you have an email address for my child? No, there is no email address for him, so no. Save and continue. Your telephone number. Okay, so this telephone number, you must notify us immediately if the contact telephone number you provide as part of this application change. You provide your telephone number, so we can provide the telephone number of ours. Okay, so I am providing my telephone number, and they are asking where do you use this telephone number for use while staying in the UK. Okay, so this is a mobile telephone number, so you can give your mobile number and save and continue. Any other telephone numbers? No. Save and continue. Contacting you by telephone. Are you able to contact it by telephone? I can be contacted by telephone call and text messages. Okay, and select that option. Save and continue. Enter your name as shown on your passport or travel document. Use the English spelling of your name where provided. Here they are asking the child details. Okay, so you can given for my child it is Muhammad Afiq. Okay, so save and continue. Any other names in addition to the names provided? Are you now or have you ever been known by any other name? No. Save and continue. Your sex and relationship status. What is your sex as shown in your passport's mail? What's your relationship status? It's what are single, right? Yeah. Save and continue. Your address. So here they are asking the child address. So wherever they are living currently, you can give the address of there. Okay. So also your correspondence address. Yes. Yeah. Save and continue. About this property, how long have you lived at this address? For my child, he is living there at years. Okay, how many years? 10 years. Yeah. What is the ownership status of your home? Rent it. Okay, save and continue. You must use your passport or travel document to complete this section. You can fill all those things. Okay, passport number, issuing authority, issue date, expiry date, then save and continue. Okay. Next is your identity card. Do you have a valid national identity card? Yes. So we can provide the identity card, our Emirates ID number, okay, and issuing authority. All these things we need to fill, okay. National identity card number, issuing authority, issue date, expiry date, then save and continue, okay. Your nationality, country and date of birth. Country of nationality, India, and the country of birth and the place of birth, the date of birth, everything you need to fill, then save and continue, okay. Your other nationalities, do you currently hold or have you ever held any other nationality or citizenship? No. Save and continue. Shajila Halima's relationship to you. What is Shajila Halima's relationship to you? I am the mother. Okay, save and continue. Your immigration status. What permission do you have to be in United Arab Emirates? Temporary visa, permanent resident. I do not have visa. I have a temporary visa. So they are asking the valid until yeah. So if your child is in India, go back. I will tell you. Your immigration status. I am a permanent resident. If you have in India, you can provide accordingly. Okay, for me in the United Arab Emirates, so I have a temporary visa. So if you are from India, and you can put like I am a permanent resident. Okay, which year did you become a permanent resident of United Arab Emirates? So that is why I am giving the United Arab Emirates. So why they are asking these questions. So accordingly you can move. Okay. So save and continue. Then immigration status. I have a temporary visa. Valid until, so we need to provide the visa date as well. So I am putting it a random date. Okay. Save and continue. Independent life. Have you formed an independent family unit, or you living in an independent life? No, because you are living with your partner, have children of your own, and for my child it's no, it's he is a kid. Save and continue. Your planned travel information, date you plan to arrive in the UK. This we need to be careful, because when we go to the visa there is 3 month validity only. So accordingly you can put the date. If you are planning like this is September last, right? So if you are bringing the family like October, November, December, the certain dates before that they need to arrive here. So that accordingly you need to put the date. Okay, so I am providing here 12 2023. Okay, so save and continue. Spoken language preference. We may have to talk to you about your application. Which language would you prefer? English. Save and continue. People financially dependent on you. So for the kid, so there is no. Yeah. Okay, save and continue. Mohammed Afiq School. Do you attend school or college? Yes. What school? What school or college do you attend? So we can provide the school name and the telephone number. Okay. And when did you start at the school or college? Then again, is this college or college in the UK? And then no. Okay, so we need to provide the all the details. Okay, so the school address, wherever he is studying now, we need to provide all the address, postcode, country and everything, and save and continue. Okay, so give details about another parent, give details about two of your parents. Okay, first I am providing what is the person's relationship to you, mother. So I given my name, okay, and family name, date of birth, country, nationality. Have they always had the same nationality? Yes. Then save and continue. Okay. Parent or legal guardian. Who is your parent or legal guardian who has given consent for you to make this application? So I am providing the legal guardian Shajila Halima. Okay. So save and continue. Any other parents or legal guardians? I am putting no. If you want to provide your partner's or your husband name, you can put in the last window as well, yes, so that you can provide the name. Okay, so I am giving no because I don't want to means complicated things in complicated way. That's why I am just giving my only, okay, my name only. So save and continue. Parental responsibility for Muhammad Afiq. Confirm who has parental responsibility for you. So I am giving like a Shajila Halima. Okay. So save and continue. Family who live in the UK. Do you have any family in the UK apart from Shajila Halima? No. Save and continue. Traveling as part of an organized group? No. Save and continue. Traveling with another person, will you be traveling to the UK with someone who is not your partner, spouse or dependent? Yeah, because he is traveling with his father, so that is not his partner, not he's not with a spouse or dependent. He is the dependent. So we are providing yes. Okay. Who will you be traveling with to the UK? If you are traveling with more than one person, you only need to list one name. So here we can provide our partner's details. Okay. So he is traveling with his father. So I am providing his father's details over here. Okay. Then save and continue. Where you will stay in the UK? Do you know where you will be staying in the UK? Yes. What address will you be staying at while in the UK? So you can give the address, current yours address. Okay. So if it is not a fixed place, like you are now also you are searching for the house, don't worry. You can provide the current address, and later on the window I will show you how we can acknowledge them regarding the new accommodation. Okay. So you can provide some passcode, what is the recent address you can give here, and find UK address, then save and continue. Now other places you will stay while in the UK. Will you be staying anywhere else in the UK? No. Save and continue. UK travel history. Have you been to the UK in the past 10 years? No. Save and continue. Have you been issued with a UK visa in the past 10 years? No. Save and continue. Travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or the European Economic Area. How many times have you visited the following places in the past 10 years? For my son, it's no. If you have any doubt for the economic area, you can just click here and you can see the details as well. Okay. Save and continue. World travel history. Have you been to any other countries in the past 10 years? For him, yes. Save and continue. So details of your world travel history. Which country did you visit? So I will provide definitely United Arab Emirates, and you can fill yeah, I will show you. So study. Okay. When did you enter this country? So the entry date you can give, and when did you leave this country, that also you can provide. Then save and continue. Okay. Any other world travel history? No. Save and continue. Immigration history for either in the UK or any other country. Have you ever been refused a visa? You can read all these options and give no. Save and continue. Breach of UK immigration law. No. You can read, okay. You need to read all these things, my dears. Save and continue. Alright. Convictions and other penalties. At any time, have you ever had any of the following in the UK or in any other country? No, no, I have never had any of these. Save and continue. War crimes. You must read all of the information on this page before answering. War crimes. No. I have read all the information about war crimes, including the guidance. You must read all of things. Okay. All right. Save and continue. Terrorist activities, organizations and views. You must read all of the information on this page before answering. Terrorist activities. Have you been involved? No. Organization. No. Organization which has been concerned terrorism. No. Have you by any means media, express reviews, criminal acts? No. I have read all the information about terrorist activities, organization and views including the guidelines. Save and continue. Extremist organizations and views. Have you ever been member of or given support to organization which are extremism? No. And extremist views? No. I have read all the information. Save and continue. Person of good character. Have you as part of your employment or otherwise undertaken for the child? It's no. Have you ever engaged in other activities which might indicate you may not be? No. Any other information about your character? No. Save and continue. Additional information about your application. Here is the area we need to, if we have a, if suppose we don't have any, still now we are searching for the house for permanently we need to leave like that. If it is there, you can provide, because we before we are given the temporary address, so that this window you can utilize for that. If you have any clarification regarding the address line or anything, you can provide here the details. I am searching for the house, nearly it's there, so I will provide the proper housing address with you, like that. You can just mention over here, this is the place for that. Okay, if it is not, you already find out the house and you have the postal code, then you can nothing, you can leave this column. Okay, save and continue. Then again check your answers. Okay, you can check all the answers and you can just go with this application, like continue. Okay, so we finished the two steps. Now the documents. Mandatory documents. The documents are mandatory and you must provide them as part of your application. Tick the box to agree that you will provide each document. Passport, yeah, the documents. Birth certificate, yes. Letter of consent from your parents or local guardians. Okay, that's there. We can make a letter of consent. Okay, if you have any doubt and if you need some consent format or consent form, just let me know in the comment box. So definitely I will help you regarding that. Okay, both there is some criteria as well. Both the parents or legal guardians must sign in the letter of consent, except where only one parent has sole responsibility for you. Okay, evidence that you, because you know when we have filled the application, I given the local guardian only one person, that is me. So there is no need of two parent signature, that is only me, so that I can provide my signature only. If you are giving that that column, like a legal guardian, your husband or your the kid's father, so it needed the both parents. Okay, so I cleverly put there my name only. Now you may understood why I am doing, why I done that thing. Okay, so evidence that you have permission to be in the country you are applying from is evidence of Shajila Halima's permission to enter to stay in the UK is already there. Okay, so any of these portions you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay, I can help you guys. Okay, then tuberculosis test results. This TB test also, in some of the countries, especially in the GCC countries, there is no need of tuberculosis. Okay, if outside the India, you can see here, if you are checking here which country the TB test is mandatory, you can go through that. If India, it is needed. If your family, they just leave the country, they leave the GCC, left the GCC country and they reached in India, if they are staying within the 6 month period, there is no need of TB test. If they are staying there more than 6 months, only they need the TB test. Just to remember that also. Okay, save and continue. So this is the declaration. There will be conditions on your visa or leave to remain. You can read all these informations. Okay, my dear. Then confirm. Then save and continue. Now the declaration again. So I am the applicant, age no. I am the applicant, age under 18. So I am the applicant, aged under 18. Okay, you will need to provide written consent from your parent or legal guardian to apply. Yeah, that's there. I accept the above. Yeah. Then again check your answers. then continue. Demonstrating your permission to be in the UK. Okay, what is a BRP? What if I do not need a BRP? All these things you need to read, my dear. That's essential actually. So I will collect the BRP from a UK post office. Okay, so enter a post code. So here you need to type like which post office you are able to collect the BRP, that you can type the post code and you can find the post office near you. Okay, and then save and continue. Choose a service. Standard service pay 318 USD. This is the fee. Okay, so if you are continue with this, you can just save and continue. So there is two options are here: return to this application later, show and edit answers. Still you are confusing, like you missed something or you need to add something or you need to edit something, just utilize this page, okay, before you proceed with the payment option. Okay, so once you are save and continue, you just go for the payment options. Okay, you can see the payment option there with the card. You can just done the payment and you can save your application as well. Okay, and once you are paid the amount, then you can you can take the VFS appointment for submitting the documents. Okay, we already know where we need to apply for where we need to submit the documents in the VFS center. Already we found out, right? So you can take the appointment. I formerly already done a video regarding the VFS appointment, that is for the passport renewal. The same category only. There you can select some passports visa services. Okay, you can select the option, you can go forward and you can take an appointment. Okay, finished the payment option, you can appointment and you can upload the documents as well. Okay, so this is the entire process of how we can apply for the child visa in the UK. Okay.
So, everyone filled the application. I hope everyone filled the application. So, this is the entire process of applying the child visa application. Okay. So, once you finish the payment, okay, you can see the further actions, the next step. Okay. So after that, what you need to do is you need to take VFS appointment as well. Okay, that VFS appointment, how we can take, I done the video already, so that you can go through it, and in there, that one I done for the passport renewal. So this one you can use the option you can change like visa process and services, visa services. Okay, that option you can select and you can take the appointment and you can upload the documents as well. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding the thing, just let me know in the comment box, or you can mail me directly, no problem. My mail ID also there, shadisvlogs@gmail.com, so that you can mail me as well if you have any doubt or any clarification you want, or you need any support to take the appointment with the VFS or uploading the documents. If you have any doubt, any kind of doubt, just please don't hesitate to contact me. I will be here for support you. Okay, so hope everyone enjoy the video as well. So if you like my video, like it, and you can share it with your friends as well, so that it will be helpful for them as well. We need some attention to that, that's only. Okay, so that we can apply the dependent visa, we can apply the child visa, we can book the appointment with the VFS, and we can upload our documents. What else we need? Yeah, so I am wishing you everyone they can bring the family as early as possible. I know the pain behind that, so definitely I am wishing you all the very best, guys. Okay, and we can see soon with another useful video. Okay, and thank you so much watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.